Hey, are you the owner of DJI Drone and facing issues like battery LED lights not glowing, battery not charging, battery not working, battery hibernating, or battery voltage fluctuations lock the BMS? Watch this video completely to revive your battery again in no time. If you visited our channel for the first time, please subscribe to Circuit Schools for interesting projects. First, visit the website given in the description where you can see the battery pinout, required components and circuit diagram of connecting battery to Arduino. Here we are using Arduino Nano board. You can even use Arduino Uno as well. Just take 3 jumper wires and connect them. So in this case, the A4 from Arduino, which is SDA, is connected to pin 5 of battery, and A5 from Arduino, which is SCL, is connected to pin 6. And finally, the G and D pin from Arduino is connected to any of the 1, 2, 3, 4 pins. If you are using another model battery, check these pinout diagrams and connect according to them. By looking into the circuit diagram, we connected our battery to Arduino. You can see battery LEDs not glowing even if I press the button, which means it's locked. Excuse me for the look of the battery. I replaced them with lithium-ion cell as an experiment. Next, get the code from our site. The link is provided in the description. The password for the downloaded zip file is Circuit Schools. Copy it for further use. Now extract the downloaded zip using the password. Here we got 3 files. First, we need to open Xloader software. Open Xloader executable file, which looks like this. Choose the hex file from the Browse button and select the hex file which we had downloaded. Enter the baud rate of 115,200 and choose the correct port. If you are facing any issues while uploading, check the above card for detailed video. When you hit Upload button, LEDs on the Arduino will blink indicating uploading. Now open the Circuit Schools DJI Battery Unlocker software for next steps. This is an amazing and easy software to unlock the batteries. Select the correct port here and click on Connect button. You can see the status as connected. The only final step you have to do to unlock the battery is to click on Start Unlock button. You can see the process, and within few seconds the battery is unlocked. Hooray, the battery LEDs are glowing. Restart the battery and charge it to start flying your drone again. If you face any issues like stuck at unseal FAS, the battery cell's voltage might be low. Check our previous video where we shown how to charge the cells externally. For a detailed tutorial, files, troubleshooting guides, check the links in the description. Thanks for watching and see you soon.